What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So on this video, I want to just go deeply on an issue that I'm facing in my business, a challenge that I think it's important to go over, just because when you're growing your Amazon business, you're switching that transition from RA into wholesale. There are a few things that you really need to consider before you decide to take on this business model that not many people really actually talk about, if rarely ever do. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight into it. Just go dive deep in what's happened, how I'm handling the situation, and what's the plan moving forward, right? But let's begin. So if you're not aware of what happened recently with the business, we had kind of a 20K, but more like an 18K loss. I just like to round up my numbers with the product that we were selling very well. Now, keep in mind, I was selling this product like consistently for like the past month or two, and like it just flew. It flew the minute we listed it. FBM, we had them prepped. They just like all flew out, and so we were replenishing this product for a while, and I decided, you know what, let me spend this much amount on replenishment, because if Q4 times, we're basically gonna sell out probably even before December even arrives. That did not happen as expected. So what ended up happening was that Amazon took down the listing because of detail page and all that crap, whatever you like to do. And so now we went from a product that moved so fast that we're now stuck with the product like that. And so situations like that is just crazy, because it puts you in a really tight spot as far as how to liquidate this product, and stuff like that, right? Unexpected stuff like that happens, and it's just you have to control yourself and how to manage it. Now, me, I'm not too worried. I mean, there was like another listing or so that I could list the same product under. We're currently trying to test it on FBM. The volume is nowhere near what it was on the other listing. So we're just going to send it into FBA and see how that goes. But yeah, man, all in all, it's just a crazy situation that, I really wish doesn't happen to anybody else. So, but I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, we've already opened up a Walmart marketplace. I listed this product on eBay, trying to list it on Walmart at the time of this video. So we're trying to just, move this product and try to get rid of it and hopefully just get our money back at this point, right? Because a situation like this, it happens. And I think it's important to put this on video out there, because for a lot of you who, want to get into the wholesale space, you want to, make that jump and, into transitioning into wholesale. It's just a risk thing that you may want to consider as well too, right? Because with OA, you can make little mistakes, right? Like $200 mistakes, $500 mistakes. You take those hits and nothing really much happens, right? But when you're going into wholesale and you're going that deep to some, to an ASIN, where it's like a 20K type of thing, then yeah, that's a whole different story. But like I said, all in all, I'm not too worried. I do believe this product will move better in FBA as far as the shipping method and whatnot. So hopefully we'll liquidate. I'm gonna try to send them all in before Christmas officially drops, because we only got like 8-9 days at the time of this video. So we're gonna try to send them all in and just try to get rid of them. I mean, there's nothing much else we can do, and that's not even the worst part, right? So for those of you who don't know, we actually had this product like scheduled every like 2 weeks or so for the rest of Q4 with our supplier. Which means that I have another shipment of this product coming in next week. And so, anybody else would have just like hit up this sales rep and been like, yo, like, we can't take this product no more. Even though we've already made that commitment, we can't take it. Something happened, all this and that. But instead, I'm going to bite the bullet, take the hit, buy the product, pick it up, and then we'll tell our supplier from there, like, hey, like, we're going to be taking, a hit on this product for now. So we're going to stop all other orders incoming from this point, at least for the time being. And so, yeah, I mean, it's crazy. Stuff like this happens. But it's just how you, manage these situations that really make you stronger in this business model, right? So, like I said, we've committed to this product and we're going to take it. And yeah, because we don't want to, ruin that relationship with our supplier either. Okay, so that's something you definitely don't want to do, is just ruin that relationship and really just, do something that's going to make you both just, bump heads or something. So now, yeah, like I said, we probably could work something out, but I'd rather just, stay to my word on this and really just try to make it happen. So, but I do have high hopes for the other listing though. Since a lot of people will, searching for this product, they're probably gonna have no other choice but to search it elsewhere, or if not on that other listing that I mentioned earlier. So, it should still sell pretty decent. I've been watching the offer count on some of the competitors on that listing. It definitely has some volume for sure. So, I have high hopes for it. So, but like I said, we're gonna send it to FBA, see how it goes, and then just go from there. So, but all in all, guys, this is literally my biggest L at this point in my business. I thought I had bigger ones before, but it just goes to show you that as you grow, you scale, you make more money, your mistakes also get bigger as well. So, right. And so it's important to really think about whether, growing at this scale or even further is going to be really worth it for a lot of you to actually, handle, manage. Because as I continue growing, I can promise you I'll probably make even bigger mistakes, right? This 20K mistake will probably turn into a 200K mistake down the road sometimes. So it's just part of the game, At the end of the day, guys, stuff like this happens. It's part of the game. You have to learn how to, maintain it, control yourself, and really just, manage yourself very well, because if not, guys, this stuff will kind of get to you. But like I said, I have no worries. I'm always kind of prepared for situations like this, and that's one thing I always do, right? With a situation like this, is that I'm always mentally ready for the worst case scenario should something happen to some of our best ASINs. Because one thing about that I learned about Amazon is that you can never fully trust on your best ASINs, to basically run your business. So you're always constantly hunting for the next best one, and really just testing new products and just, new suppliers and stuff. So, but all in all, guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If, could you handle a situation like this? You think maybe I should be doing something different, or what do you guys think? Just let me know. Let me know your thoughts in the video. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next one. So peace.